In this video, I'll show you how to install the AI Remaster Mod for GTA San Andreas to get HD textures, improved visuals, and widescreen support on PC. Check my video description for this mod. Right click and select WinRAR and select Open with WinRAR. Close stuff here. Right click on the game and select Open File Location. Before installing this mod, back up your San Andreas folder, copy and paste it in same location. Rename it as backup. Once you're done, open the San Andreas folder. Drag and drop all the files inside the mod to game folder. Select replace the files in the destination. Once this done, scroll down and find this 14,000 KB. Right click, show more options, send it to desktop create shortcut. Launch through this newly created shortcut. I show you guys before and after comparison. You can easily compare this mod. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.